earn money online just by signing in on this website, complete some tasks, and you are going to increase your incomes very easily. And this is worldwide available, so you don't have to worry about in which part of the world you're living right now, because this is available for each of the person in each part of the country. And I'm going to give you all the information necessary that you will need in order to do the job by yourself as soon as you finish this video, guys. And this work will be very easily done in which part of the planet you're living right now, and you can work everywhere, like in your own home or also in public places, because it doesn't really matter. You just have to own a laptop, or if you don't have a laptop, you can also use your mobile phone, because they give you the opportunity to do this job also in your mobile. Now guys, I will get into more details for what I'm talking about, and you can understand it very easily. But first, let me ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a look at our other videos as well, in which you will find a bunch of different methods of earning money online. Now let me show you for what I'm talking about with what is this website and everything else. I'm talking about Padera.com. Here you are going to see a bunch of different payment proofs and reviews, in which I will need to show you in order to convince you guys that this website is really worth it and it's reliable. As you can see, the reviews are in different languages, which proves that this website is truly worldwide available. Now let me read to you some of these the reviews over here offered for you. As you can see, there are different ones. You have like from India. Today I'm back with another payment proof of Padera. It's ninth payout, guys, and I'm really very happy to share my experience. I started using this site long ago. I never expected that I will draw ninth payout. As you can see, the person has attached also the ninth payout that he got from Padera, and they are mostly $20. So he have got so many money from Padera, and he's working still with it, and he's very happy. And you are going to be the same like those people as soon as you start creating an account and working. Another review from Satish from Mexico. Whoa, Padera is a real and genuine company that really pays. I just received my first payment. I'm so happy. I was skeptical at first, but after taking out several easy surveys and getting paid, I fully trust Padera. And the surveys are quick. It doesn't take long to build up your earnings. The money was in PayPal account within 5 to 7 days after I requested payment. Thank you, Padera. As you can see, the person have also screenshot his payment, his first payment, which is $30, and he got that payment in 5 days. You are going to earn as much as these people over here very easily, and I'm going to show you how. So let's go over to the homepage of Padera. As I said, Padera is worldwide available, so the only thing that you have to do is just search on Google Padera.com. As you can see over here, you are going to turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one. Now guys, as you know, I always suggest you different websites, but none of those websites has this benefit of all-in-one solutions. Only Padera provides this to you, and it's amazing because you are going to get paid just by doing multiple tasks without having to leave this website. So you are going to do all of the work in one place. No country redirection, instant payments requests, both mobile and desktop users accept it. Some websites doesn't accept the mobile version, while over here you have that opportunity. So you can take your mobile phone, go for a walk, and at the same time you can earn money enjoying your hobbies or other things that you will need to do. Now here you are going to find unlimited tasks. I know that some of you might get scared of saying like the tasks might be finished, or in some days I won't have the opportunity to complete any task. Well, in fact, Padera will give you unlimited tasks, so each day you can complete those tasks and earn money. You have also a bonus by referring Padera to friends and earn money at the same time. And you don't have to worry about the payments, because you can request your payment easily, because they are available 24/7, and you can get your payments in 5 to 7 days. They offer many tasks to accomplish and many ways to earn money. There are 5 different ways you can sign up or subscribe to other websites and offers surveys and earn money at the same time. You can complete surveys. They offer multiply surveys available for you to complete and earn money. You can also upload videos, and this is one of the another method that you can earn money. You can also invite friends, which I think is one of the easiest one in which you can do it and earn money. You can also write about Padera and you can earn money. As you can see, there are 5 different ways that you can earn money in Padera, all in one, so you don't have to open many different pages or many different accounts, just one account, one page, and earn money in 5 different ways. As you can see, they have 930,000 members in which have completed 7 million tasks, and they have got their payment instantly and immediately. Padera is very easily, doesn't require any previous experience. You can do all the tasks immediately. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's create an account to Padera and start working. Just click on create an account, and you have to put your first name, last name, username, email address, password, confirm password, and then you can sign up and create your account. After creating your account, you will have to verify it, and then you can sign in by putting your email address that you decided for and then the password. Now this is going to be your dashboard over here. Just by clicking it, you are going to see your total earnings over here. As soon as you work, you are going to make thousands of dollars. Now let me show you that over here you have the best offers that Padera gives to you each day. You can also earn money, as I said, by submitting videos, and also you have micro tasks offer here for you. Just click over there and you are going to see a bunch of different micro tasks in order to accomplish and earn money. You can also complete tasks over here which offer a different payments, like 21 cents, 780 cents, also 360 cents. Now I know what you'll be thinking, that there's not a lot of money. Well, of course, these surveys are and these tasks are very easily and take 1 minute to accomplish, so of course the payment won't be that big, but still that's a very amount of money, thinking that you will going to do that like for each minute or for each 10 minutes. That means that you are going to get like $30 or $50 till $100 per day, guys, and that's a great amount of money. You can also take surveys and earn money at the same time, and I think this is one of the best methods to earn money. You can click on surveys and then you can choose one of them. For example, if we choose this one, you can just click on take surveys, and after doing that you are going to see the survey reward that you are going to accomplish that. As you can see, you are going to earn 7 cents for accomplishing this survey, and the questions are very easily. As you can see, do you currently have a working mobile or cell phone or not? And you just have to click on yes, no, and then you can going to click on next, and you're going to get the next question and answering very simply and very fast, and it will take you like 5 or 10 minutes to accomplish. It depends how fast you are. Now another way to earn money, as I mentioned before and I'm going to mention again because I think it's one of the best ways, is by referring Padera to your friends and earn money at the same time. So you can invite your friends to earn money too with you. Now you can also make the payment request here as soon as you start earning, guys, and you can get your money in 5 to 7 days. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give a like to this video.